Welcome back, guys. Right now, let's talk about learning more. So, when you get a laptop, you could learn more. And aside from getting a laptop, you could go ahead to learn some valuable skill. So, just type my name on Google, Beloved Adejigbe, and here's my name. So, you open my instructors page right here. The first index is my instructors page on Udemy. So, you get to open that. And you, as a mobile graphic designer, you could go ahead to learn more about you could learn more about Facebook marketing, which is this. You could learn Facebook marketing. You could learn LinkedIn marketing. This will go a long way for you. So you could learn all these basically. You could learn WhatsApp marketing to know how to brand yourself on WhatsApp, and you could do it for businesses as well. So you could go through all those courses. Then, if you get a laptop, by the time you got a laptop, you could go on and on to learn something like this: Corel Graphic Design Mastery from zero to hero. So you could learn something like this. You could go ahead to learn something like complete web design course with WordPress for beginners. So you could even go into web design after learning the whole graphical concepts. You could go into web design. You could learn a whole lot of things. You could learn content creation with Canva by the time you get a laptop, because these are advanced things you could do with Canva. You could create content. So get a course like this, content creation with Canva. So you could go on and on to learn a whole lot of things. You could go on and on to learn low content self-publishing and book marketing on Amazon. You could go ahead to learn all those, and you could go ahead to learn LinkedIn marketing. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to congratulate you and wish you goodbye. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.